In case of those days that you have an emergency, a power outage, going camping, something for the house, the boat, the camper, whatnot. This comes in a number of colors. Check for further detail online about the information. Now, it has a nice carrying strap, and at nighttime, if you need to read, it has a COB light over here by the handle, and it's foldable and directable. It has a compass on top and has an antenna that opens up and extends to get the FM signal and weather band. It has a cranking handle of 5 volts at 1.5 watts an hour, and you're going to just, crank this bad boy up to get some power. Now, you're going to charge the unit with the supplied USB C cable for the first time that this will have its correct power. And you have here is on the top, I'm going to shine the light for you, a narrow beam, a wide beam, and both beams. Now, there is another thing here. If I long press, hold your ears. That is the SOS siren and light of an emergency. Now on here has an AM, FM, and weather band. This is the loudness. Tune in for a station.
All craft advisory in effect through late tonight.
And you can hear that this will, collect information and share to you what is out there. There's an advisory for tonight. And on here, there's another button that you can press that will light up the COB on top and shut it off. And there you have it. You have something that's really nice and usable. You could charge your camera, your smartphone as an emergency, run a light off of the USB port, has a USB-C port for charging as well. I hope this product is something that you're looking for in camping, hiking, biking, boating, automobiles, house, wherever you have an emergency that you need to grab something and on the go on those power outages. Enjoy your product.